Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to turn on location settings for Gmail on your PC. With recent updates, it's more straightforward than ever to manage your privacy. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Once you're on the home page, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look at the address bar, which is where you type in URLs. You'll notice a small icon next to the web address. This is the site information icon. Click on that icon to access more details about the site. Now you'll see a drop-down menu filled with options. Click on Site Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various permissions for Gmail. Once you're in the site settings, look for the section labeled Permissions. This is where you can control what Gmail can access on your device. Find the setting for location and enable it. By allowing location permissions, you empower Gmail to access your geolocation data, which can enhance your experience with location-based features. And that's it. You've successfully turned on location settings for Gmail on your PC. Now you can take advantage of all the features that rely on location, from customized suggestions to improved service. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.